Welcome to English Quizler. Today we have 40 mixed grammar quizzes to test your English. You only have 10 seconds to guess the correct answer. Don't forget to comment your score at the end. Before we start, please subscribe to our channel. Good luck!
The correct answer is a decision. The committee reached a quick decision. The right answer is yours. Is this seat yours? Asks if the seat belongs to you. The correct choice is spectacular. That's the adjective describing the performance. The answer is will complete. They will complete the report by Friday. The right word is quickly. She solved the puzzle quickly. The correct form is speaks. She speaks 3 languages fluently. The answer is I'm working. I am working on a new project this month. The correct choice is ran. They ran the marathon last year. The right form is had already begun. By the time we arrived, the concert had already begun. The correct answer is will defend. She will defend her thesis next week. The right preposition is at. I will see you at noon. The correct answer is on. Leave the package on the porch. The answer is towards. They march towards the stadium. The correct phrasal verb is look through. I need to look through my old photos. The right phrasal verb is make up for. We must make up for the delays. Kick the bucket means to die. That's the idiomatic meaning. All's well that ends well means the outcome matters more than the difficulty. A good ending makes earlier troubles acceptable. The correct quantifier is many. There are many chairs in the hall. The right quantifier is a little. I need a little advice. The correct determiner is every student in the class passed the exam. The right article is they. He adopted a stray dog. The correct verb is. The committee is divided on the issue. The correct meaning is superficial. Perfunctory means done quickly with little interest or care. Ameliorate means to improve. It means to make something better. The correct pronoun is me. This is between you and me. The correct adjective order is small black leather. The right form is leaving. He suggested leaving earlier. The correct modal is should. You should apologize for that remark. The zero conditional answer is it solidifies. If you freeze water, it solidifies. In reported speech it becomes could. He said he could help the next day. The passive form is will be published. The results will be published tomorrow. The correct relative pronoun is whose. The student whose essays were excellent won the prize. The natural collocation isn't a decision. They came to a decision. The comparative is more difficult. This puzzle is more difficult than the last one. The past continuous is were having. While they were having dinner, the lights went out. The future perfect form is will have finished. By the time you arrive, I will have finished dinner. The correct noun is items. How many items are in the package? The tag question is wouldn't you? The cleft emphasis is was. It was the volunteers who saved the animals. The correct past participle is broken. The windows have broken.
Awesome job! How many did you get right? Let me know your score in the comments. I'd love to see how you did. If you found this quiz helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss more fun and useful English lessons. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep growing.